Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for taking the time to present our article at the Conference of Mechanical, Industrial, and Education Engineering 2022. The article with the title EOT-based multi-sensor agriculture for soil parameter monitoring using Tinger platform. As presenter, my name is Sumarsono as a member of Nurul Mufliha and Fatma Ayu. We are from the Industrial Engineering Study Program, Hasyim Asyari University, Jombang. First, abstract summary. Internet of Things technology has brought a revolution in agriculture, such as monitoring soil parameters. The article aims to create a soil parameter monitoring system using IoT and Tinger platform. The monitoring system includes two subsystems. The first IoT is multi-sensor soil parameter. Second, the Tinger platform. The system works in real time in acquiring soil parameter data, then display real time data in graphs on the Tinger platform. IoT multi-sensor Tinger-based soil parameter monitoring system has been tested and works well. Next, as an introduction, IoT is a tool and system that can help agriculture business become more competitive. Specifically, soil fertility is a significant aspect of agriculture production. In this article, we focus on monitoring soil pH, soil moisture, temperature, environmental humidity, and sunlight levels. These indicators are several factors of soil fertility. IoT technology has been demonstrated to be able to collect monitoring data while consuming minimal energy. More support platform Tinger is an open source Internet of Things platform for data exposure and display. The integration of the IoT-based soil parameter with the Tinger platform enable continuous and real-time monitoring of data. Next, system architecture of soil parameter monitoring. There are two subsystems as shown in the picture beside. The first subsystem is the IoT-based multi-sensor data acquisition. The second subsystem is the monitor with the Tinger platform. Next, the following is a picture of the component of the first subsystem. As shown in the picture, the Arduino Uno R3 microcontroller is connected to multi-sensor DHT22 LED LDR and resistor 4K1 capacitive soil moisture P2 DIY more soil pH sensor and connected to the node MCU ASP8266 microcontroller number 6 sorry. Moreover, to handle the multi-sensor, write a program sketch in the Arduino IDE and upload it to the Arduino Uno R3 microcontroller. In order to connect to Wi-Fi and transmit data, the Node MCU microcontroller must be programmed and uploaded. The monitor subsystem with the Tinker platform step to create this subsystem. Number one, create an account on the platform Tinker IO. Number two, add device to Tinker and connect with IE3 multi-sensor data acquisition. Then create a multi-sensor value display by selecting dashboard from the menu via use a time series chart with process like this picture below. Widget setting like this. Next, experiment with this system as shown in the following figure. The first image is an IoT-based multi-sensor data acquisition tool like this. The second picture, the dashboard display of soil parameters with time series chart like this. Experiment for 40 minutes to evaluate the performance of the monitoring system, where in the setting every 2 minutes will display data for a period of 40 minutes like this. Next, result. The following statistical value of soil parameter of experimental data derived from the monitoring system's findings. Evaluation of data result reveal a high degree precision based on the evidence statistical value above, such as the mean and median values are relatively the same. The standard deviation value are small, and the shape of the data distribution is symmetric, because being close to zero squareness value. Okay, for next discussion, the interpretation of the experimental soil pH data 6.59 indicate that the soil's pH falls within the neutral range. Knowing the pH value of the soil will help farmers in soil management steps. For example, how much will add lime to increase acidity or add sulfur to reduce acidity. Next, for the interpretation of soil moisture data reveals that the average sensor value of 616.35 falls within the normal humidity category. The availability of soil moisture data will aid in reducing planting mistakes. Next, for the interpretation of environmental moisture and temperature data reveals mean sensor value of 67.16% and 60 degrees Celsius. They are essential to have information on the temperature and humidity on the air surrounding the soil, since both are factors that maintain the soil's warmth. And the interpretation of sunlight level data reveals a mean sensor value of 408.5, which fall within the category of adequate light level. Sunlight plays a role in determining the fertility of the soil because The amount of sunlight is dependent on the ambient temperature and relative humidity for the soil's warmth and existence of beneficial organisms. Okay, that is all, and thank you. Of if you have question, suggestion, and input, you are welcome. Thank you very much.